Hi everyone, we're going to make these beautiful and colorful keychains. So let's get started. First we are going to take a marble, put it between two fingers. Now we are going to roll 6 times this multicolor thread around the fingers. Now we are going to repeat the same process. We are going to do the same from its other side as well. Here we are going to hold the marble at the center. Now remove your fingers and we are going to cover it from its top section as well. So we are going to do the same process of putting the thread between its top and bottom in a circular manner like this, and we're going to pull all the threads like we are doing here. After this we are going to tie it, so pull all of them and make a circle and cut the extra part of the thread, and we are also going to fix it using a fire. We are using a lighter here, and look, it's done. Fix it as well and look, it's ready. Look at these beautiful flower knots. Let's learn how to make them. So we are going to take this multicolor thread and make a loop like this. Now take other end of the thread. Similar way we are going to put it inside the loop, and look how we are going to put it another loop like we are doing here, and pull the thread like this. Look carefully. Here we are going to make a zigzag loop and put the thread through all of them. We are going to make a flower shape, and look, it's done. Finally we are going to pull all of them like we are doing here and make a flower knot, and look, it's ready. Pull it and make it tight like we are doing here. Adjust the thread like we are doing here. Finally we are going to tie a final knot in the thread like this. So tie it and pull it tightly, and look, it's ready. You can use it as bracelet as well. We are going to make these beautiful rings using thread. Here we are going to take this red color of nylon thread and make 2 pieces of them. After this we are going to start folding them in a crisscross manner and repeat the same process. We are going to overlap all of them, and with the help of a thumb we are making a loop here as well, and then again we are going to fold it through it. Now remove the other end of the thread from the loop and pull it tightly like we are doing here from all its sides like this, and finally the flower is ready. Now we are going to adjust the strings like this. Similar way we are going to make another flower petals using the same method. So repeat the same process of pulling it and making knot, and look, it's ready. Now cut the extra part and fix it using fire. We are using lighter and adjust it, and look, your ring is ready. In this video, we are going to use these 2 different color of nylon thread and make a beautiful flower shaped knot. So first we are going to tie a knot using this green color of thread. So we are going to make a loop and put other end of the green thread inside it. Similar way we are going to repeat the same process using the pink thread as well. We are going to make a loop and put it inside the green one. We are going to attach both the thread using this. Now 2 to 3 times we are going to again put the pink thread inside the green one and make a design like this, and look, it's done. After this we are going to pull all of them from both its sides like this, and your flower design is ready. Finally we are going to tie a knot for more decoration like this from both the ends. Make a ring shape like we are doing here. Similar way you can tie a knot as well at this end. Cut the extra part, and look, your bracelet is ready. You can gift it to your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.